Hey, what's going on, Gaijins and Gaijins? This is Good Gaijin Greg, and I'm back with another video. And today is my busy day. So that means I have a full day of work. I have groceries that I have to collect and put away. And then I have my Japanese tutoring class in the afternoon. So I don't really get home until late around today on Wednesdays. So that means I typically either like to cook something quickly or I like to buy something. So today I'm going to cook something quick, and today is going to be Carbonara day. So it's really easy. Typically you have everything you need for carbonara in your refrigerator and cabinet already. All you really need is pasta, eggs, and preferably you want guanciale or something else. But today I'm going to be using pork belly, but you can use bacon, preferably thick cut bacon if that's all you have. It's really not that hard. Carbonara is one of those things where people get kind of uppity about it. If you put heavy cream in there, or you put parsley or something like that in there, then it's not authentic. But I always feel like the good thing about cooking is you can do your own thing. You don't have to follow rules as much as some other things. It's one of the reasons why I don't really like baking all that much, because that has a way more strict rules. And cooking, you can kind of fly by the seat of your pants. So that's what I prefer to do. So if someone tells you, oh, well, this dish or whatever you're cooking isn't authentic, or it's not, how they were taught, well, then their cooking's boring, because that's not what cooking is. Cooking is about taking, a recipe, some ingredients, the skills and techniques that you learn, and then combining all that to make something delicious. And if what you make is delicious, it makes you happy, it makes the people that you cook for happy, don't worry about what other people say. So today I'll be making my carbonara. So even though I still won't be putting cream in mine, I still make mine with just eggs. But still, I will be doing a few things that might make somebody go, no, it's not authentic. Shut up. It's mine, so don't worry about it. It'll still taste really good. So let's go. Now we have our pork belly, and for this you just want thin cuts, and with that you're going to cut it into cubes. Now we have our pork in a cold pan. You want it in a cold pan because it'll slowly heat up the fat, and it'll help render out all of that fat, and you'll be able to use that later for your pasta. Okay, now as you can see, the fat is rendered out. We got a lot of good fat in there. We got our pork nice and brown, and now it's almost done. So we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our, blasphemous ingredients. Garlic and mushroom. All right, another dish done. So this is what we got. Carbonara. And it's not traditional, but does it matter if it's good? Let's find out if it's good, and then we'll know if it matters. Get on there. You're not going anywhere. Pork. Doesn't matter. Too good. Doesn't matter. Sometimes tradition is a good thing when it comes to food, as long as it tastes good. And this tastes really good. Yep, creamy sauce, good bite to the noodles. The pork belly has a good smoky flavor to it. I actually cured it a little bit for like a few days in salt and different seasonings, some powdered smoke and everything. So yeah, this is good. Go ahead, make it at home. Takes like maybe 10 minutes after prep. Takes like 10 minutes to prep, 10 minutes to finish off. Yeah, really easy, really good. Go ahead and take care of it. Just like I'm gonna take care of this. So that's about it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can have easy, delicious meals. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.